You don't think that Kejriwal is going to get, or the Aam Aadmi Party is going to get the sympathy vote because so many of their leaders are fighting this from jail?
Are you suggesting, Smita ji, that you first commit an action which results in your enjoying state hospitality, and then you can get sympathy for having committed such an action and being a state guest? No, I don't think so.
Talking of sympathy vote, Maharashtra also goes to polls, and there's a lot of, and you know, they send in the second largest number of people, you know that, into parliament. It's very complicated, literally a six-cornered context going on there. It's difficult to understand, but everybody is wondering who's going to get the sympathy vote. On the one hand, you have Sharad Pawar, an octogenarian who's fighting, and there are a whole lot of editorials which say that, look at this man, look at his energy, fighting still. And then, so he might get the sympathy vote. And then there's Uddhav Thackeray, betrayed by his own party. They've taken away the symbol. They've broken his party. He might get the sympathy vote.
It's a very peculiar kind of short-sighted politics, which in the context of Parivarvad looks for sympathy, when everybody knows that all you're doing is either nurturing and buttressing the claim of your son in one of the people you named, or the other one in the case of the daughter. Look, I'm not saying anything against the individuals concerned, but where is the question of sympathy here? Maharashtra is one of India's leading states. I mean, it is a, economically successful states, and look what these combinations in the past have made of Maharashtra. And I think if Parivarvad is the sole guiding and determining factor, then I don't think it'll get sympathy. They'll get an adequate response from the people. Even in Delhi, what I find is, आप जो सवाल पूछ रही थी, इसका जवाब वोट से आएगा.
Yeah. जेल का
जवाब वोट से आएगा. अरे भाई, अंकल पूछो से जेल गए क्यों हो? हम शराब के खिलाफ है, फिर उसके बाद शराब का घोटाला हो जाता है. घोटाला हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, वो नहीं क्वेश्चन कर रहे. फिर कहा जी हाँ जी घोटाला तो हुआ, पर वो क्या नाम था, विजय नायर, वो मुझे नहीं रिपोर्ट करता था, वो तो आतिशी और दूसरे उनके जो मंत्री हैं उनको रिपोर्ट करता था. सो ही थ्रू देम अंडर द बस. टिल दैट जज साहिबा इन दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट turned around and saying, hey, listen, let's separate these three: the individual, the chief minister, and the convener of the Aam Aadmi Party. But you, as the convener of the Aam Aadmi Party, actively sought and received kickbacks, and the proceeds of that crime found their way into the Goa election. Now, please, that is what you have to answer. Now, all I'm turning around and saying, if you commit a crime, and it's a big thing, to take liquor vends into residential areas near mosques, gurdwaras, and mandirs, where you openly encourage intoxication. I'm not saying good or bad, drinking good, that's a personal choice. But I am totally against creating an ecosystem which is anchored in corruption, and coming from a man, हम शराब के खिलाफ हैं, हम तो आम आदमी हैं, मफलर पहनेंगे, वैगन आर में बैठेंगे, हम उसके बाद पहुंच गए हम शीश महल. Now this is hypocrisy, and this kind of duplicity has been caught out by the voter, and I am not confident, more than confident, that people see through this.